not me. Omolomo.
Ali Samanja.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Esther Ogala. If you're new on this channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. Thank you for coming back. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you can be part of this amazing family. Trust me, I'm saying it, there is no other family you want to belong to other than this one. Yeah, I said that. You don't believe it is past 2 a.m. I cannot sleep and I felt like gisting. So yes, there's no other person to gist with if not you. Abby, don't you want to gist with me? Come on, let's gist. I will be giving you my experience of how a Bolt driver almost slapped me. I want to do this with my legs up. So I'll be comfortable as I'm giving you this gist. It's like, we're doing guluma, like we're gossiping. So this happened in Abuja. I had finished my spa session and I was going back home from Jabi to Dutse. I took out my phone and ordered a ride. Now, I was trying to explain where I was to the driver that is not even ready to look at the map. Shebi Bolt, as we all know, always has the rider's address pinned. That's where the driver goes to pick the rider from. All you need to, Oga, is just follow the map and you come and meet me where I am. Sure, the map will not throw you away. The map will still bring you to the exact location where I was standing. 1 minute later, I called him, so I would be sure that he's coming and he's not cancelling. I called, and I was like, Oga, good afternoon, sir. What was his name, sir? Either a Shegun or a Tayo, one of the two. And he was like, I am at so place. And I'm like, okay, this is the landmark closest to where I am. Just come to this place. Do you know this place? And he says yes. I'm referring to the landmark. I asked if he knew the landmark. He said yes, he knew it. Okay. I had waited for this man for like 10 minutes and he calls me saying he does not know the exact location. I'm like, Oga, but I asked you first. I asked you if you knew this landmark and you said yes. So how come within how many minutes you do not know the landmark anymore? Okay, boy, you want to be crazy. Let me know. So I described it again for him. I had to even call somebody to come and help me describe it for him. Maybe, just maybe, I do not know how to describe, or I am not describing it well. So this person now described for him again. 20 more minutes, Oga hasn't arrived. I just cancelled the ride. Yeah, I cancelled the ride, and when you cancel, Bolt always gives you options asking you why you cancel or why you intend to cancel the ride. So I said the driver was taking too much time, which was the accurate option for me to pick, and I ticked that and I submitted cancelled. It did not even enter 2 minutes. Oga called me and he was just saying abusive words, which I did not want to say here so that problem of monetizing this video does not occur, and YouTube tells me I have some words that have put me inside base in this video. So because of that, I'm not going to say all the words he used, but trust me, they were really bad and abusive. I held my cool. The next thing he said, in short, wait for me there. I have found the place. I am coming. What are you wearing? Just stand there. Stand there. Make sure you don't move because I will slap you. I'm like, You will what? I will slap you. On hearing I will slap you, because I don't have power for baseball's Basby, I ended the call. He called back again, said, why did you end the call? Shebi, I said I will slap you. Tell me exactly where you are. I am coming there. Da 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 da. Base. This. What not. Asha ordered another ride, and interestingly, my ride was here. 2 minutes. The new ride I ordered had arrived. What's my business again with the one that want to slap me and the one that cannot find the exact place I told him to come to? But as I entered that new ride, I wasn't really feeling myself, because I felt like, what if that guy had come to where I was and slapped me? Omolomo, and slapped me in a place where I shall know that my father and mother, they are not there. My siblings are not there. It is just me. You slap me and go like that. It was frightening, because in short, I just had a whole lot running through my head that day. And thankfully, the new ride I offered, it wasn't disturbing me with the usual talk that plenty bold drivers like to do. He just faced front, played music, on AC, and drove, and that was it. If this driver had slapped me, what do you think would have happened? I just felt like something I could avoid. There was no need even get into it. But assuming that driver touched me, hey, we got the lie. Shock you. I wouldn't do anything. I would just be going. So I will cry. I will cry and be wishing that I had my brothers with me. Hey, warriors with me to do what they are supposed to do, not me. Let me know if you have had any crazy taxi experience, be it Bolt, that's Taxify, or Uber, or what have you. Let me know in the comment section, and we will laugh it out and gist it out. We have come to the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you did not like it, tell me you don't like Amiibo. Do well to also watch my previous videos. I have videos on Bolt and Uber comparison, and I also have a full video teaching you how Taxify operates. I'm going to see you in my next one. Until then, keep on being amazing, keep on being fantastic, love and light always.